In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use recurring transaction QuickBooks. If you handle regular bills, subscriptions, retainers, or repeating journal entries, setting them up as recurring can save time, reduce errors, and keep your books consistent. I'll walk you through where to find the feature, how to build a template, the different template types, how to set the timing, and finally how to manage everything once it's running. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. At the top right, click the gear icon. Under the Tools section, select Recurring Transactions. This opens your central hub for all recurring activity where you can create new templates and see existing ones at a glance. To build your first template, click New. QuickBooks will ask what kind of transaction you want to automate. You can choose invoice, bill, expense, check, or journal entry. Pick the type that matches what you repeat most often. For example, a monthly customer invoice, a vendor bill, or a recurring adjustment via journal entry. When you've chosen, click OK to continue. Next, choose the template type. Scheduled will automatically create the transaction on a set timetable. And for invoices, it can even send them for you if you enable sending in the form. Reminder won't create anything until you approve it. You'll get a prompt when it's time. Unscheduled simply saves the details, so you can use the template manually whenever you need it. If you want full automation, go scheduled. If you prefer to review first, choose reminder. If it's an occasional copy and paste helper, unscheduled is perfect. Now set the schedule and details. Give the template a clear, recognizable name so you can find it later. Select the customer or vendor that applies to the transaction type you picked. Then choose the interval, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Set a start date and add an optional end date if there's a known stop point. Enter the transaction details like amounts, categories, or items, and any memo you want carried forward. Double-check amounts and dates before you save, especially if this will post automatically. When everything looks good, click Save Template. Once your templates are created, managing them is simple from the Recurring Transactions list. You can open any template to edit the details, pause it if you need a temporary break, resume it when you're ready, or delete it if it's no longer needed. Pausing is handy for seasonal charges, while editing is great for price changes without rebuilding the template. That's it. Your recurring workflow in QuickBooks is set. Keep names consistent, review reminders promptly, and update templates as your business changes.